Okay, so cousins showed up on Carl's Critters today, and so we found some baby kitties, and they're bobtail baby kitties. Gavin's hiding next to me because he doesn't want to be in it. So there's 1, 2, 3, and there's the mama there with Gwen. Her name's Baby Ornery's. She's out of ornery. So let's get a closer look at these little critters. Look at them little buggers. So Charlotte's on Carl's Critters, and so is Diane, and so is Gavin. Gavin, I can't get you in there. I barely get you.
There we go.
There. Where's Baby Ornery's? And there's Mama. Come here.
What happened to her tail?
She's bobtail. They're bobtail cats.
Oh.
I never saw a bobtail.
Really? Mm-hmm. They're kind of cool.
Are they boys or girls?
The one that your grandma has is a girl. And I don't know what yours is or Gavin's. So there's the latest update on Carl's Critters.